Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you change password on your Wallapop app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click it on your down here. So when you click here on your, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on edit profile, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on verification and security here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to security and here password, click on change, and you click here on send. So when you just click on it, then they will send you an email to your verified email address, so you can change your password when you verify your email address when you click here on send. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking